Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful motif step by step in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. I'm using medium weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. Now let's start making our motif. First I make a magic ring. I chain 1. Into the magic ring I crochet a total of 8 half double crochets. My half double crochets are ready. I tighten the magic ring. I join by slip stitching into the top of the first half double crochet. My first round is complete. I chain 3 and move to the second round. I yarn over. I insert the hook into the stitch below, yarn over and pull up a loop. I pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. I yarn over again, insert into the same place and pull up a loop. I pull through 2 loops. 3 loops remain on the hook. I yarn over and insert into the same place again. I pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. 4 loops remain on the hook. We inserted the hook 3 times into the same place and now we have 4 loops on the hook. I yarn over and pull through all 4 loops together. I chain 3. I insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. I pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Again, I yarn over and insert into the same place. I repeat the same process, inserting for the 3rd time into the same place and pulling up a loop. There are again 4 loops on the hook and I pull through all 4 together. I chain 3. I yarn over and insert into the next stitch, pulling up a loop. I pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. I yarn over and insert into the same place again. I pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops and 3 loops remain. I yarn over, insert again, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops and 4 loops remain. I pull through all 4 loops together. My 3rd petal is ready. I chain 3. I insert into the next stitch. We continue in the same way. Chain 3. Continue like this until the end of the round. At the end, we will have a total of 8 petals. I have reached the end of the round. I chain 3 again and join into the top of the first stitch we made. I chain 1. I cut the yarn. My second round is finished. When moving to the 3rd round, I will use a different color. For this, I first make a loop on my yarn. I secure the loop. and I chain 3. I yarn over. I crochet 3 double crochets into the same space. Together with the chain 3, we now have a total of 4 double crochets here. I chain 2. Again, into the same space, I crochet 4 double crochets. Into the next space, I crochet 4 double crochets. Here we have formed one corner of our square. After 4 double crochets, we form the second corner in the same way. For this, again into the same space, I crochet 4 double crochets. I chain 2 and again crochet 4 more double crochets into the same space. Our 2 corners are now ready. Into the next space, I crochet 4 double crochets. Continue like this until the end of the round. I have reached the end of the round and joined into the top of the third chain. I cut the yarn. I pull the loop out like this and turn the work to the wrong side. I hold the piece properly and pull that loop to the back. This gives us a neat finish. Now we will hide the short yarn end. I will use a needle like this. I pass the needle through a few nearby stitches toward the back side. Then I thread the short yarn tail through the needle, pull it through and cut it. My motif is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet videos. See you in the next one.